Okay guys, welcome back to another video, and I am doing my friend. Someone needs to leave, and this dude's probably leaving. We're bombing people.
Yes, can somebody give me 2 jetpacks?
You're dying.
We're bombing people.
You're dying.
Can somebody give me 2 jetpacks?
Okay, you on chat.
Go kill yourself.
Alright, you go.
I was gonna give you an
Go on the
RPG,
channel
but
that
never
I told
mind.
you.
Yep. I'm going somewhere.
Yeah, somebody give me a
No,
jetpack.
you're
This
not.
blue guy. Where is that blue guy?
Okay, I'm almost. Dang it, I'm not in my spot. Do you copy? Bro?
Yeah, you still.
I'm just getting to my, position.
I see you. I'm in my.
Where are you?
Are you in your position?
Almost.
I just threw a crossbow down. They might go.
Someone may have spotted me.
What do you mean spotted?
Someone just flew over me.
Run. Where are you?
I'm near the elevator thingy.
What elevator?
The giant shaft.
Like,
The one that's out in spawn.
did I?
No.
I'm trying to find you. I don't know where you are though. Are you where office is? Like in that?
Yeah.
I don't see you. Yeah, I don't see you. Are you inside office or like?
No. I'm like at the shaft that goes up into the.
Where, one sec, someone's flipping.
Where are you?
Do you know where the home point is? I'm at the top where the safe zone is on top.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna move to the big blue water tower. Oh my god, I'm getting shot at.
No, that's me. That was me.
Why'd you shoot at me?
I'm up here. Because oh shoot.
Yeah, I'm just trying to help you. I'm just trying to
Yeah.
kill people.
Yeah, I'm trying to
Here.
bomb people. Thanks, bro. Thank you. I have a ton of ammo. Just help me bomb. Okay, wait. Go on channel 8. My friend's on here too. We're
I'm on
bombing
top
people.
of the water thing.
Wait, what's the channel? What's the channel?
Channel 8.
Wait, are you black?
Yeah,
You hear me?
I might see you.
I'm on channel 8.
Come to water tower. Come to water tower. I'm there.
I can't. Hi.
Coming to you.
It's me.
That's me.
My friend's up
what's
here
up?
too.
Yeah, hello.
Another friend's up here. He has ammo.
I'll bet. Oh, bet. Sweet. Where is he?
Bro, where'd you go?
Where'd you go?
I fell off.
Alright, don't kill me. I'm up here. I'm an elf. really get grappled.
Boom!
Yeah, I'm coming back up. I should have brought a grapple. Well, I just fell down. I'm trying to climb up now. Don't shoot me. I can't get up though. I have a ray. Yeah, it's me.
I made it. I made
Okay.
it. I didn't make it. Wait, where's all the ammo? Did you already use all the ammo? Yo, wait, Black, did you already use all the ammo?
No, it's in my backpack.
Oh, alright. Where's all the ammo? Wait, where's he at?
Hey, bro.
Wait.
Take this.
Got you here. Here, drop it. I got you. I'm gonna move it up here.
I'm sorry, bro.
Yeah, keep on talking about good girl. You're not fucking little pussy. Now shut your bitch ass up, fucking little girl. Can't fucking do shit yet. Oh, you can't aim. Is that all your excuse, you old lame ass little bear? You can't fucking speak anything else.
Where'd you go, Blood?
You fucking started, you
Oh,
fucking lame ass
I
bitch.
have to
Keep
go.
on
I
starting,
shuddered
suck
one
it,
time,
suck
but
it,
like-
suck it. Come on, suck it, little
Alright.
fucking.
Oh, here it is.
You guys are
Beep, 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 beep.